up, y'all? Ignore my background. I'm moving, so I'm just now sitting in my bedroom. I couldn't decide on what bed I wanted, so the extra bed is there. But anyways, this is an unboxing of my new Notary bag, and I'm so excited because I finally got my Beis bag. And if you know anything about Beis, y'all know I'm obsessed with Pretty Little Liars, and Shay Mitchell came out with this bag, and I am just obsessed with it as ever. So let's get to open it and see what it looks like in person. All right, so we got the box open, y'all. This is how it comes packaged. The packing slip, I flipped it over for privacy purposes, but the packing slip and then the bag. So the bag is wrapped. Ooh, it's wrapped. The bag is heavy, y'all. It's wrapped in some nice plastic. It is very huge. All around the bag, you can see it's already nice quality. I love that gold tag on the bag. And it's really sturdy on the bottom. So we're getting ready to take the paper off. I'm so excited. All right, y'all. So I got the bag out the plastic. So this is the bag in person. It looks really, really nice. Nice material. Very, very sturdy. Handles. The back side of the bag. This is the back side of the bag. You can put it on luggage, or you can zip it all the way closed. Use it for your phone case or another pocket. Then there's a pocket here. There's a nice long zipper on the top. Go ahead and unzip it. Oh yeah, and there's a cup holder on the sides and another zipper over here. Very spacious on the inside. I'm going to do another video of what I pack in my Notary bag so you guys can see how I feel it. But very, very spacious on the inside. A lot of room for everything. And it's two-sided, just like a laptop bag. And you can also, it also has a pouch back here. So it's also a pouch back here to sit your laptop or MacBook or iPad in there. And what you saw fell out was the strap that you can remove. You can carry it just like a laptop bag. Nice material on the strap. The regular strap material there. You can remove it or strap it on both sides. And it also has a removable pouch that has Beis right there on it. And the pouch is pretty big itself. And also snaps into the bag so it can stay. I absolutely love this bag, y'all. Like, it's so roomy. And I'm going to do a what's inside my bag video. So you guys can see what's in there. But it's like other zippers and compartments in here too. But this bag is definitely a 10 out of 10. So stay tuned for the next video.